Hey guys, this is AJ the CEO. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. All right guys, so I got the parts together for the basic presentation PC that we're building for the church that's going to be installing tomorrow. This is I had two follow-up videos here, which was about the Ori 1x2 HDMI extender splitter, as well as designing a two dual screen presentation system. So this is the system that I'm building that's going to be running Worship Extreme, that's powering all that, hooking up the HDMI extender and everything to this. That's really it. I mean, we're going over the same parts we've talked about before, and I'll have a link in the description for all the stuff that we're using. So let's go ahead and just start building. All right.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here